Namaskar and good evening. Today, let's take a look at Marksans Pharmaceutical Limited with reference to its Q2 FY21 results. Marksans Pharma Limited and its subsidiaries, they operate as an integrated international pharmaceutical company. It is actively engaged in research and development and offers contract research and manufacturing services called CRAMS to global pharma companies. The R&D capability of the company includes dossier development service, formulation development, and a specified drug delivery system. It has got a specialty division which mainly focuses on oncology and critical care therapy. The brands of this division are Markperin and Epigraph. Epigraph is also being supplied to hospitals and other burn and trauma care centers. Cerebella division is the specialty division marketing drugs meant for lifestyle diseases, neuro and psychiatric therapy. The brands of this division are Bazi, Cytofast, Gabella, Gabella M, Xenotril, etc. The management consists of Mark Saldanha, Chairman and Managing Director, Sandra Saldanha, a whole-time director, and Vardhaman V. Jain, another whole-time director. Now let's take a look at the quarterly results of Q2 FY21. Net sales are 356.5 crores in Q2 FY21. Previous quarter, that is Q1, 331.2 crores and year ago quarter 256.4 crores. I repeat, 356.5 crores in Q2 FY21, previous quarter 331.2 crores and year ago quarter 256.4 crores. So year on year, sales have improved by 39.03%, quarter on quarter by 7.65%. Now what about the final net profit? That is in Q2 FY21 50.73 crores. In Q1, that is previous quarter, 49.37 crores. In Q2 last year, 25.97 crores. 50.73 crores in latest quarter, previous quarter 49.37 crores and 25.97 crores in year ago quarter. So, year-on-year improvement in net profit is 95.34% and quarter-on-quarter improvement is 2.75%. Net sales have improved by 39.03% year-on-year. Final net profit has improved by 95.34%. Very good. Equity is 40.93 crores. Basic EPS is 1.21 compared to 1.2 in previous quarter and 0.63 in year ago quarter. Here also 92% improvement year on year and 1% improvement quarter on quarter. So overall it has performed reasonably well in Q2. Now the market price currently is 51 or 52 in that range. Price earning ratio is 10 to 11. Volumes are 57 lakhs, so no problem in buying and selling. 52-week low is 9.9, so very low. 52-week low was 9.9. 52-week high is 57.1. Market price is 51, 52 around that, so it is closer to 52-week high. Monthly technical rating is very bullish. Market cap is 2,120. Last year price earning was 38.98. Last year book value was 12.35. Dividend percentage was 10%. EPS last year was 1.33. Price to book was 4.19. Face value is rupees 1. Now annual sales, annual results also let us see for the last 5 years. So the latest quarter and the previous quarter are reasonably good, but what about the previous 5 years? 5 years ago, the sales were 893 crores in March 2016. 893 crores. From there, it has slowly improved, and now it is 1,134 crores. Sales have progressed from 893 crores in March 2016 year to 1,134 crores in March 2020. Net profit has likewise progressed from 82 crores in March 2016 year to 120 crores in March 2020. So there is reasonable progress in sales and net profit during the last 5 years, and the latest 2 quarters also reflect a little more progress. Now, if you look at the cash flows, operating activities have yielded 209 crores in March 2020 year. Investing activities have consumed 59 crores. Financing activities have consumed 90 crores. Net cash flow is 60 crores. Net cash flow is very good. 5 years back it was minus 149 crores. Later also it was negative cash flow net, but the March 2020 year was 60 crores. And they have spent a reasonable amount last year, 59 crores. Hopefully that will yield good dividends in the dividend means of what I say is sales and profits. Now book value has progressed in the last 5 years from 11 rupees to 15.86. It's okay on 1 rupee. It was 11 earlier and now 15.86. It should progress further. Face value is rupees 1. Gross profit margin is reasonably good at 16.97%. Operating profit margin reasonably good at 14.62%. I'm mentioning about 2020 year. Net profit margin is 10.64%. Not bad. Return on net worth is 18.98%. Return on capital employed is 24.5%. Very good. Return on assets is 13.46%. Very good. Now debt equity ratio 0.03. That means very little debt. Debt is there but very, very low. Asset turnover ratio is 126.46. So most ratios are reasonably good for the last year and the latest periods. Now if you look at the historical prices, 3 years before the price was 50.5. So the improvement in 5 years is 50 to 54, there's nothing much. And 2 years before the price had fallen from 50 to 30. And 1 year before the price had further fallen to 15. That means the last 3 years operational performance was going down and down. 3 months ago it was 48 and from there now it has come to 54. The latest results are good. Previous results also were not bad. Hopefully Marksans Pharma will improve in the quarters to come. Let us see. Dividend percentage was always around 10%. Last year it was 10%, earlier it was 5%. 5 years ago it was 12%. So dividend percentage is not great. Promoters holding is good, reasonably good, 48.25%. Pledge is 0. See, these 2 points are good. Pledge is 0. Debt is also very low, very close to 0. So, Marksans Pharma is improving, but it should go on improving. So, 2 quarters it has shown good promise. Last 2 quarters were reasonably good. Earlier the sales were a little low. Last 2 quarters were good. Last 2 quarters final net profit also was good. Last year also there was a reasonable improvement. Let us see what it will do in the coming years. It is promising. See, pharma companies are coming up. Marksans Pharma is also coming up. That's all that I can say. It's a reasonably good company. The price earning ratio is also not very great. So I think we can go for it. So let us see. Currently it is around 10.71 price earning. So there is scope for improvement. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another good company.